Welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to turn TikTok notification on. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, we are going to know that how to turn TikTok notification on. First of all, you have to open the TikTok app by clicking on it. Now click on the profile icon. Click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. You can see here a lot of options. Now scroll this bar and you can see here notifications. You are going to turn on your TikTok notification. In app notification, if we are going, you can turn on your likes notification if someone is liking your video, commenting, new followers, mention and tags, direct messaging, activity status, profile views. All these things will be appear in your inbox or in your notification bar. If you are scheduling your push up notification, set a schedule and in which time you are allowed to get notification of your TikTok app. Thank you so much. That was the easy and the whole procedure. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.